Welcome back to Mud and Rust Workshop. Today we're going to be replacing the right rear brake light on our 2014 Lincoln Navigator. Customer previously replaced this with an LED, and I'm going to show you what happened. Alright, so customer replaced this themselves, brought it to us because it didn't fix it. You can see this is what a normal light looks like. This is what happens with the right one. So you can see the right one blinking a lot faster. That's because the LED draws a lot lower amps and it doesn't make the relay function correctly. So again, you can see regular and the LED. So let's get started. We'll go ahead and go back and replace this. It'll only take a few minutes. Alright, it's a pretty simple replacement. You'll see you got two Torx screws right here. They are a T20. We'll go ahead and back those out. And the bulb we used is this particular one's a Sylvania Long Life 4057. Make sure that you don't get the LED version of these whenever you go to replace it. That will cause you issues without putting a load balancer into the circuit, which is essentially a resistor. But for simplicity's sake, just stick with this. You can see now once we pull those screws out, you have a couple of small tabs that stick into some keepers in there. You got to pry on it pretty hard to pop it out. Once you get it out, you just pop the covers off and replace the bulbs. Alright, now these go back in. You just insert them, you line the tabs up with the slots, stick them back in and twist. It's just exactly the opposite of what we did just a minute ago. But before we do all that, we're going to double check and make sure that our blinker is operating correctly. Alright, so now that we've got those bulbs replaced, you can see our left blinker is blinking correctly still, and our right one matches it now. So pretty simple, takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 if you got to round up all your tools. Real simple replacement. Get out there and get busy with it. Thanks for watching Mud and Rust Workshop. If you like and comment, subscribe if you'd like to see some more of our content, and we'd be glad to share it with you. Thanks everyone.